Grab attention by explaining that technique, not just waxing, is the key to longer lasting results. Mention that results vary between individuals. Introduce the guide and explain viewers will learn professional techniques and common mistakes to avoid. Explain that preparation makes waxing easier, cleaner, and more consistent. Show the ideal honey-like texture and explain why consistency matters. Explain why clean, dry skin helps wax grip hair more effectively. Demonstrate applying wax with the direction of hair growth using even pressure. Show how leaving a small edge makes removal easier. Demonstrate holding the skin taut and pulling parallel to the skin. Explain that waxing removes hair from the root, which may provide longer lasting smoothness than shaving. Show how to soothe the skin with a gentle fragrance-free post-wax product. Explain what to avoid after waxing to reduce irritation. Explain that gentle exfoliation after a few days may help reduce ingrown hairs. Explain why repeatedly waxing the same area isn't recommended and when sterilized tweezers are a better choice. Remind viewers that results depend on hair growth, technique, and aftercare. Review the 5 key steps viewers should remember before the next waxing session. Invite viewers to subscribe and tease the next beauty or health video.